Hey guys! Hey. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Chip.
I'm Delaney. Baby. Who knows?
And today we are doing our 2-in-1 switch. So please go and check out our first video of this little one. It was great. So the switch, Delaney now has the
Glamlite Taco Palette! Yay!
She's so excited.
I am.
And I'm using the Aurora lights, which I'm super excited to because I haven't dipped into a BH palette since...
You gave them one to me.
There we go. But BH was my first ever eyeshadow palette ever, like on the planet. Back to my stomping grounds.
I just can't get to take me back to Brazil, but this I can fuck with. So.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and jump into look number 1 so I can get this tape.
I think it's a look.
Done. Yeah, this is it. I'm not gonna do anything.
Yeah,
I'm gonna put it in a crease color and that's not it.
Yeah, she's done.
Okay, so first shade. I guess I'll start with crease first. We'll do the Morphe M412 as the brush once I find it, my little stack here, and we're gonna dip into a Guacamole because it's a nice like chilled out matte. And like I said, that's gonna go in our crease.
And I've already primed my eyes with the Urban Decay primer.
Same.
And we're going to go in with the Sephora Small Shadow number 15. And I'm going to go in with Prismatic.
It's the name above the shade. Ooh. Just so you know. When I look at it too quickly, I'm like, oh, I wrote all the names down wrong. Great. Well, no shock here as far as the quality of the pigments.
At first, like, I'm picking it up with the brush and I'm like, okay, nothing's coming on my brush. But then I place it on the eyes and I'm like, never mind.
Okay, so then we're going to be taking Red Cabbage, which, like,
Ooh.
I was looking at the shades like, let's use one of the darkest shades in there and put that all over the eye so it makes my life terrible. Terrible. We're going to take Sephora Pro 14 to just pack it. This is also a matte, so, like, tap off that excess for a little bit.
Going in with Vibrant, same brush.
Like in some of the photos, this Red Cabbage shade look more like a blue base purple. But no, this is definitely like old school, early 90s Barney purple.
That used to be my show back in the day, man.
I feel like that was everyone's show back in the day. What was your favorite part? Just like the storyline or the I love yous at the end?
No, I actually hated the I love you song. It just it annoyed the hell out of me. Like I wouldn't watch it, the song part. But I like the stories.
Annoyed.
I really was. I was like, come on, like pick a different song. Oh my gosh, the Boomafoo, obsessed with that show.
Oh yes, that? Give me some garbanzo beans.
Oh, I love that show.
I was an Arthur bitch, man.
Me too.
I love Arthur so much. I would watch that now. I still would watch it.
We watched it last week.
Oh my god.
We were like up till like 1 a.m. And Travis, my husband, was like, what do you want to watch? And I was like, bear with me.
Arthur, bitch.
Hold on, stay with me. How about? And I put it on, he was like, I don't care. And I'm like, yes.
I don't care. Dragon Tales. I loved watching that.
That was good. Oh my gosh, Delaney.
Y'all want to shit on Dragon Tales, but I like Dragon Tales, okay?
I love that one. The third color I put on, this one is Borealis. Thank you. Oh Lord.
I have no idea where these names are coming from.
And then I'm going in with Magnetic.
I'm gonna go back in with Guacamole and just kind of clean up where they were blending together because you know purple and greens like they don't always blend the best together. Get muddy, and which I mean I kind of like that tone, so like don't come.
Okay, I'm gonna go in with Kaleidoscope because it's just been calling my name. And we're just going to use this as our inner corner. Hi, yes. I mean, for an all shimmery, metallic-y looking eye look, I'm here for it.
Oh, it looks so beautiful.
I am here for it.
That would make a halo eye so easy for you.
Yeah.
Just that center shade as your center shade. Oh. The last shade that we were going to use, get a brush first, Delaney, get yourself together, was the Cilantro, which is like a metallic-y shade. It's green. It's very similar to like the lime, but like we're going to take a Morphe E18. You want to be careful when you're putting these metallic shades like in your like inner corner because they are kind of chunky, and so like it can really like aggravate your eye.
Yeah.
If you get a big chunk on that brush.
Just using the Kat Von D liner in Trooper.
Baby Bop, who is she? You're like matching my hoodie perfectly.
Yes, I actually need to buy that hoodie. Like, that's my favorite one.
Use my affiliate code, Fast Times, get 10% off at end of the AM.
Yeah.
I feel weird on my bottom line, so I'm going to take a little bit of Guacamole and just kind of blur out the bottom. This is the Morphe M149. This is the NYX just retractable liner, and this is in deep blue. TRESTIQUE mascara that I used in our first tone one. I'm going to use it again. It's nice. It's thick though. I can't decide if I want you in a dark lip or like a really light. So lip today, Baby Bat. This is in Extraterrestrial, and I haven't used it yet, but I mean, I feel pretty spacey, so.
So ABH matte lipstick in Rage. So this is our first look, and we're going to do close-ups, and we'll come back with our second look for the 2-in-1 switch. Yeah.
Scoot up a little bit so you can get all the gray.
Oh, I'm good. Good. I'm just getting my makeup like right here.
Okay, so we're gonna jump into number 2. God, I hope I don't mess this up.
It's a two-toned.
Yeah, it is.
Oh,
it would have looked better if I had my red hair, but I still have green, so yeah. I was just like, I need to use some different colors in here, and you know, why not?
Same brush. I'm not moving brushes. This brush is perfect with this palette. This is the Sephora Pro Small Shadow number 15.
You will be sleeping on Sephora, like in-house brand. I'm gonna jump in with Salsa Verde on one side and Al Pastor on the other. Those are gonna go in the crease.
I just put ombre on, and it's like this white shade in the palette. This is how, yeah, this is my face when I'm applying anything from this palette. I'm like,
what? So we're gonna go for a shimmer crease because I don't know what I was thinking. Shimmer creases are okay if my whole lid is shimmer too.
Right.
But my lid's gonna be matte, so we're about to just the judgment. I can just feel it coming.
Judgment.
You just feel it.
Everyone is so nice on our channel. Feel free, leave comments, leave concerns, leave love. I think my favorite part, like if I'm having a really long day, I'm just like, I'm just gonna take a moment, get on YouTube real quick.
What if Johnny goes on our YouTube? Why are you so obsessed with me? I wanna know.
No! The comment that was like, beautiful, you're my type of woman.
Oh my
Thick
God.
lips. I was like, I think I read that first thing in the morning, and I was like, I'm just gonna let her find it. I'm just gonna let her find it. I'm not even gonna text Delane. I'm just gonna let her find it.
Well, I have to like go on and manually share yours to our Facebook page. So like as soon as you post, like I'm lurking on our own page to get your photo day, and I'm like, hey.
Oh, he is loving you, girl. All about that vanilla.
You like his chocolate too. You like his
No,
syrup.
you lose. I think.
What was it that he said recently?
Let's pull it up. But interesting.
No posts, so you can't even gauge what kind of person.
No.
And he follows like 1,000 people. It's just, oh my God, scary.
I'm going in with Polar, but Polar isn't showing at. Never mind. I just need one more layer. Never mind.
Diamond. That's what it was. It's
like, said diamond?
Yeah, he said you was a beautiful diamond.
Diamond.
I can't. I wonder what the 683 stands for. It's probably the number that Instagram gives you when your initial username request is not available.
It's his age, I'm sure of it.
683 years old.
I'm sure of it.
Oh my God, I need to work on this eye look. Okay, so on the Al Pastor side, which is the red side, we're gonna do Salsa Roja, and then we'll be doing lime on the other side with Salsa Verde. 4 Pro 14.
Okay, I'm gonna go in with Phenomenon. Oh, lime is the driest.
I remember seeing that from your video.
Driest, yeah. It's dry.
It is dry.
And I thought maybe it was just my swatch. No, it's the one shade, which I don't know. I was like, maybe I got a dud, but...
You definitely got a dud because guacamole is not like this and it's also matte.
Yeah.
I'm just like DJing in the pan.
Yeah.
Trying to get there.
Yeah.
Pigment to kick up. Like, I got that shade to work, but like, oh, girl, it's choky.
Going in for glowing.
Okay, Salsa Roja. Yeah, so much different.
Right?
Like, you can tell by how much kick up you're getting in the pan that, like, that lime shade, something's wrong with it. I'm just gonna do, like, a very light amount of those shades underneath the lash line, because, like, you know.
So the last color I added was Australis?
No one knows.
Cool. It was one of the green shades in there. And I also added glowing before that, and I'm glad that I tried them because study. And so the lip color, I'm going again back to Fenty, but this is called Midnight Wasabi.
The last shade I'll be doing is Onions. This is the most Christmassy Mexican look you could ever imagine having.
That's Mexican look.
Well, because the Mexican flag is red, white, green. And we'll take the E36 from Morphe. And I mean, like, this isn't a white. It's like a goldy champagne. So obviously I had to pick
stunning
comparable liners. These are actually lip liners from NYX, so, you know, don't come for me. This is the Esmeralda in the green and then Red Tape in the red shade.
Yeah. I see where you're going now. There's no doubt about it.
Christmas again. Trestique mascara again.
Doubt about it.
Keeping it easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Do you feel like Shrek?
No. The blue kind of tones my Shrek vibes down. But now I kind of want to watch that movie tonight. Maybe I will.
You can split it in with Dragon Tales and stuff.
Great show. All great shows. Let us know what your favorite cartoon was when you grew up. I want to see what you guys watched.
Oh, I forgot about Cyber Chase.
I learned so much math from them. It was epic.
True.
They were great.
Okay, this is the Baby Bat Purity Matte Liquid Lip. This is my first time using it, so yeah. I think I've gotten it.
We see the vision. Well, ladies and gents, we are done with our 2-in-1 and our 2-in-1 switch. Fun. I really enjoyed using this palette, just bringing me back to BGS. Oh my gosh.
As much as it's a bitch to film these because they take so long.
Yeah. It's
like, I really like doing this type of video.
Yeah.
Because, I mean, who doesn't want to watch 4 different makeup tutorials in a 20-minute span?
Who doesn't want to try out new palettes? Like, I got to try this without even buying it. What?
Same.
Yes.
Same. I like it. I'm not mad. I like the packaging of it. It's nice and like nice crisp edges. I don't know what I was doing this for. Like,
she was feeling it up.
But yeah, it was a good time.
Yeah.
But check out our first 2-in-1. I'll link it down below since it's already been available for a couple weeks now. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!